Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the Ramaswasky stain. First, the history. 1879, Paul Ehrlich used mixture of the acidic and basic dyes to differentiate cells. 1891, Russian physician developed the techniques using a mixture of the origins Y and methylene blue that produced a surprising hue, a distinctive shade purple. Williamsburg Leishman introduced the methanol as a solvent. Next is the Gamsa. Gustave Gamsa improved this technique by standardizing the dyed solution and adding the glycerol to increase stability. Next is the principle. The main component of Romanesque stain are a cationic or basic dye, methylene blue, or its oxidation products such as azure B, which binds to anionic site and give a blue-gray color to nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, nucleoproteins, granules of basophiles and weakly to granules of neutrophiles. An anionic or acidic dye such as ozone Y or ozone B, which bind to cationic site on proteins and give an orange-red color to hemoglobin and eosinophil granules. pH value of phosphate buffer is very important. Two acidic suitable, two basic. There are the three structures. There are the two acidic suitable and two basic. Excessive pink staining, low pH of the buffer, insufficient staining, excessive washing, rinsing when exposed to air, formation of the formic acid in the methanol, excessively blue staining, alkaline pH of the buffer, prolonged staining, insufficient washing, thick film. There are the precipitates may form as a result of the evaporations of the methanol, improper washing. Next is the artifact year introduced the 1992. Any visible result of a procedure which is caused by the procedure itself and not by the entity being analyzed. Common examples include the histological structures introduced by tissue processing. Abnormality on the blood smear can either be the pathological artifact. It is important to correctly identify artifacts so that they are not incorrectly interpreted as a pathogenical process and can cause the confusion and problem in diagnosis.